Tens of thousands of people have lost their insurance companies after all the damage from the recent hurricanes.
A week from today, the Louisiana legislature will convene a special session to deal with the crisis. Meg Ferris is here with one personal story. Meg.
That's right. And see if this story sounds familiar to you. One woman's insurance is going up so much that her house note will go from $800 a month to $1,400. Add to that, she has health problems to deal with, and her insurance company went under, so she had to pay out of pocket for some of her Hurricane Ida repairs.
I was like, what? I was coming from the doctor and I had a breakdown. And I sat in the car and I cried.
In her mid-50s, Darlinda Cook finally realized the American dream. Just 3 years ago, she got her first home. Now she's one of the thousands facing the state's homeowners insurance crisis.
When you dream about something and you finally get it, you do everything you have to try to keep it. So, I mean, if I have to get a second job, I have to do it. But I didn't plan on being almost 60 working 2 jobs. Who does that?
If the wind's coming from the southeast, they're open because not a lot of things can stop the wind from coming straight from the Gulf of Mexico.
Her insurance agent, Stephen Lavecchio, says Darlinda is especially hard hit because she's in New Orleans East. Homes there and in other places close to the lake have higher rate increases. He hopes the legislative special session results in monetary incentives to get some of the smaller regional insurance companies back in the state to help bring premiums down.
Then the state incentive would say, if you do come in, we're going to give you some extra dollars to buy reinsurance with. That's what has all these carriers scared, is they don't know what the reinsurance cost is going to be. They've only been told that it's going to be very expensive.
Reinsurance is insurance for insurance companies. It helps homeowners insurance companies handle big events like Hurricane Ida, for example. Lavecchio says the 3 states insurance writers don't want to go to is California because they aren't allowing rate increases, and Louisiana and Florida. But Florida has already had 2 special sessions.
They've done tort reform, and they actually have a catastrophe fund. Now that Florida has cleaned up a lot of their stuff, that just leaves us.
And if we can just get our leaders to understand that, you know, I don't know, they don't get it.
Now, the Reinsurance Association of America says that, quote, crises in property insurance markets today frequently have little to do with Mother Nature. Instead, man-made crises in the form of legal system abuse, claims fraud, and regulatory interference are the root causes of most market instability, end quote.
It certainly is a crisis. Thank you, Meg.